Mount Totumas is a lodge located next to La Amistad National Park in Volcan. It was started in 2008 and is now a sought-after retreat for birdwatchers and nature lovers alike. It is a 400-acre private reserve and home to over 250 species of birds and other animals. The main lodge is beautiful. There are 3 rooms on the main floor, a kitchen, and a large living space. Hummingbirds come right up to the feeders at the windows, and they are a delight to watch. In the upstairs of the lodge, there are 2 large rooms. The upstairs also houses a large collection of bugs. The drawers contained many different types of insects and were really interesting to look at. I was just glad that they weren't crawling all around, especially the really big ones. There are over 30 kilometers of nature trails on the property. Guides are also available to take you on the trails. The property is covered with plants of all types. Everywhere you look, it is green and beautiful. There are also private cabins for rent. There is plenty of space to explore and have an adventure. If you spend the night or arrive early enough, you can enjoy a beautiful sunrise. The views of the surrounding mountains and wildlife are worth rising early for. An experienced guide can even point out various different birds or wildlife. Check out this woodpecker we saw while enjoying the sunrise. As you can see, the road into and out of Mount Totumas is an interesting ride. It even includes crossing a small water crossing. The pozos termales, the hot springs, are also down this road. If you ever get a chance to go to Mount Totumas, be sure to go check it out. If you enjoyed this video about Mount Totumas, be sure to give it a like. Check out our other videos about life in Volcan and visit our webpage at www.corazondelcielo.com.